Plantain, awesomeness. Plantain, awesome. Plantain, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Sharp family. We're chilling with the Sharp family.
Start off.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we want to do a mukbang.
Yeah, family style.
Yeah. So you can tell us what kind of food we have.
Alright guys, so today we're doing family style mukbang with Tia. And what we have on the table here is breadfruit. We have it roasted and fried. Ackee and Saltfish. And we not leaving out the pear guys. And plantain. So we
And orange juice.
Oh yes, and orange juice of course guys. So we're gonna just dive into it right now. You know, this is one of the dishes that a lot of us Jamaicans really love and enjoy.
Yes.
So, you know, we just making use of it guys. Here we go.
Ready to eat.
Take a little sip of the juice. Oh yes. So breakfast today was brought to us and catered to us by Miss Tanisha Murphy. It's all her.
Tia don't eat pear, no.
Them nowadays kids are guys, I don't know. How should I feed pear?
You alright?
Yummy.
It's delicious.
It's ready, babe. It's ready. The good old Ackee and Saltfish people. Can't do without it.
The national dish.
Wow.
National dish for Jamaica.
And people, right plantain. It's almost
Right, taste here? Good.
so guys today I have 2 extra plates you know. Anybody can manage, can talk to me.
Tell me if you can't manage, because I have your.
Awesome. So the rule guys is first to finish help the others.
That was never our rule.
Just make a
Yeah? And mayo. We can finish so can I help you? Alright, so.
Because- And guys, the pear ready again. Did some calculation, no?
Ackee is my second favorite dish.
So what? So stewed is that first?
Yeah.
Wow. Right there, curry chicken.
Yeah, curry chicken can come third.
Give it anything right for me, you know.
What's your favorite here?
Why chicken?
Mm-hmm. So if we do one curry chicken one next.
So we agree, right? Anybody finish first, help the others.
Everybody know your flavor already. It tastes really good.
I mean, you go on good, babe. You go on good.
And the breadfruit turn night is really nice.
Yeah. So guys, we got these. We got the breadfruit and the ackee from Ackee Village. That's here in Portmore. For no one, you can give me some orange juice to here.
They are got too hard now. But like your belly now, not belly bottom.
Hey, Jim, you wish final come through, eh? You've been asking for this from me.
Brown.
Nice.
And maybe Ackee and Saltfish has to have some pepper. It's not complete without some pepper in it.
Pepper and black pepper.
And the black pepper. Well, guys, we only have one breadfruit left, you know.
Me too.
I feel like we ate fast today. It's ready, you know? Yeah, well, I'm good. People,
Alright, then get your pie now.
people, Jago, I'm good, you know? I'm a kitchen lock. Think I'm putting on weight, guys. I feel it.
It is showing.
It is showing. It is showing. That boy.
That's your bio too. Great and heal. There's a long time. Heal no Sabina. Nah, I'm going to tell him, you eat, you eat. Nah, I'm going to heal.
Comment below and let us know your last time
Look, that will finish your
eating
corn,
Ackee and
okay?
Saltfish. This type of, you know?
People should wicked. This is not can manage so much food.
If you put like a fork over here, me and you.
Yeah, one good go. I'm going to cut out there, so. No, I'm going to cut out.
Take your fork out of my dish. Sure.
More breadfruit left?
See, I think we should have given it in it.
It's in the plate and have it already.
There's some piece I cut off.
No. Come out of my plate.
Yeah, I ate so much food today.
Stop.
Sure. I was looking at your plate, saying that your plate can help me, you know.
People eat the most in our house.
Facts.
Facts.
Because men, we are men. We eat more, okay? It's normal.
Facts. Then pay a second. But she ate more than me. Tea finish?
Yeah.
Now go on.
Mm-hmm. Anybody don't want an orange juice? Yeah, switch glass.
Sweet one?
Switch glass.
No, thank you.
They're not drink out of orange juice, no?
You better eat left me today?
This was good. Belly full paper. Some nice ackee and saltfish, you know? Yeah. No one like I turn mouth water now. Yeah, sip it. You want a glass of water, please?
Not yet.
I try to say we can cut down on the sugar for you.
So you want to drink my juice and give me water?
I look out for you.
I'm good.
Excuse me. Yeah. So people, ackee and saltfish is it's a delicious meal. You know, especially when done right. Now Tia on the other hand, now she is still getting used to saltfish. She realized she took all her ackee and left behind the saltfish. I guess chefs will get this.
Explain to them who is Shreps.
Oh, Shreps is a dog. I think I know. Shreps is a dog. You know, we're gonna have a video. We're gonna do a video with Shreps one of these days. Very unruly dog though. Very unruly.
Green master.
Then for the Shreps people, then go in the back Shreps, just jump on them. So people, again, thanks for joining us on our ackee and saltfish mukbang today. You know, please remember to like, comment, and if you have not yet subscribed,
subscribe.
yeah. Peace out.
Bye.